Good afternoon, YouTube. Man, it's the Triple H's where it's hot, humid, and hazy. Man, it is scorching today. Been about 97. I think the humidity's about 97. But anyway, it's a great day to be alive, no matter what. But I just wanted to show you something real quick. This is something I run into a lot on these older houses. They have solid doors on them. Over time, I guess the houses settle a little bit. I don't know what the deal is. But they get to where they're not closing good and they're rubbing and touching and whatnot. And I was going to show you how I remedy that. I remedy that with the DeWalt 20 volt max planer. DCP 580 planer. And so that's something right there that I use quite often, especially for applications. I can't even hardly talk today. Applications like this on these old solid doors. They're heavy and just got to plane them off and then get them to where they fit back and then paint them. So let me show you that. We're going to use the 6 amp hour DeWalt 20 volt battery. I've got a couple of those. They're pretty new. I use them a lot. They're pretty good batteries. My health's off today, so I'll do the best I can with this. Not the easiest in the world by yourself. But that right there, man, is slick as a baby's bottom right there, and that is the best way I have found to thin those doors down. But you can see the job it does. I mean, it does a heck of a job. I mean, it's really good. It was hitting right down in here really hard. So hopefully that'll do it. If it don't, we'll be back. I've already put one here and one down there to hold it. So I didn't have anywhere to put the camera, so I just brought you in on the last ones. Planed right there. You see the door planed right here. And look at here. Perfect. That is the easiest way I have found to fix the doors, is with that planer. If you've got door problems, you need that DeWalt planer. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that, or maybe it was a little help to you. I don't know, but something I had to do in this house before the new owners, new renters, new tenants take it over. And so I wanted to show you that and show you that planer and how I plane them off. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Man, stay safe during these times. This is crazy, crazy times, that's for sure. And may the Lord bless you during these times and keep you safe. That's what I'm praying for me and my family. And we just don't know what's going to happen around here with the schools and different things like that. And, you know, businesses that are cutting some of them back again, and I don't know, guys. I know there's a lot of people probably hurting or whatever, and so, you know, Just prayer. That's all I know to tell you, man. Y'all be safe. God bless you. I'll see you on another video.